Jim Cramer warns, quote, "Don't be fooled," end quote, because the speculators in gold, quantum, and nuclear energy aren't going down without a fight. Boy, that sounds ominous, doesn't it? Former hedge fund manager and renowned CNBC TV host Jim Cramer is sounding the alarm on certain speculative pockets of the market, urging investors to sell into the snapback momentum if they have not already done so. On Tuesday, Cramer cautioned investors that certain speculative plays in quantum computing, data centers, and nuclear energy alongside gold and silver will, quote, "not go down without a fight." I guess you could also add some of the high-flying drone stocks like Ondas in there, as that is also pulling back similarly to some of these other stocks that he mentioned. The comment comes amid heightened volatility in sectors that have seen sharp rallies in recent months and have since become disconnected from fundamentals. Well, we've been talking about that a lot. There sure seems to be a lot of those stocks that are out there. Actually, looking at Rigetti here, Rigetti also down another $1.20 here in the pre-market. So it looks like that slide is going to continue. For any of you that want to follow this, I'll go ahead and post this in the chat so you can have a link to that story. Steep declines in speculative stocks and precious metals. Cramer's advice comes following steep declines in stocks across these sectors during the day, with gold and silver registering their largest single-day drop in years, dropping 5.2 and 6.7% respectively. Quantum computing stocks such as Rigetti Spaghetti, as we like to call it, ticker RGTI, Quantum Computing, ticker QUBT, and D-Wave Quantum, ticker QBTS, have dropped 7.64%, 7.41%, and 6.42% respectively, alongside some of the nuclear energy companies like Oklo, which is down 12.33%. Similarly, popular data center stocks such as IREN and CoreWeave are down 6.8 and 1.57% respectively. This comes despite most indices being flat on the day, with the S&P 500 up 0.003%, followed by the NASDAQ Composites Index down by 0.16%, and the Dow, which was up 0.47%. So we mentioned no discernible trends yesterday other than some of the high flyers maybe coming back to earth here a little bit. I did notice that this article kind of threw gold and silver into the same category here as the quantum computing stocks. And let me just be clear, these are not even remotely similar. It's just that they've both made big moves, so they're getting mentioned at the same time. Clearly, I think the entire market values gold and silver more so than Rigetti and other quantum computing stocks. Just a guess there.